It's nice to see you this afternoon.
So, first, please remain standing. So, Miss Stephanie, please say the prayer.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to test, but deliver us from evil. Hail, Mistress Sarah.
So, how are you this afternoon, class? That's good to hear. So, before we begin class, first, check attendance first. So, see present is your name is called. Alfante. Algoso. Present. Ayasot. Present. Daruman January. Present. Daruman Vilma. Present. Bautista. Kanlong. Ersan. Gabua. Jimenez. Gurinate. Mena. Laparion. Larawan. Largo. Mendoza. Navales. Ucan. Pañores.
Present, please.
Rakuma. And Taiko. Before we begin class, I will be state my classroom rules. So, the first is treat others with kindness, lesson activity, and avoid harmful comments. The second is engage with discussion and follow the rule. The last is maintain classroom cleanliness. Now, before you leave the classroom, please clean and arrange the classroom. I'm understood. So, class, inside makarecall sa discussion pag last meeting. Miss Okan, stand up.
Last meeting, we talked about procedures. Mga household equipment, kaya sa vacuum, machines, kaya blender machine, account, kaya paggamit na shower na. Okay. Bumata una sa manual para kung may bawang shower na.
So, may Okan. So today class, are you ready for our activity today? So I have here some sample words. So class, how will you group into four? So count alphabetical
1, 2,
One, Chris. One, two, three, four. One, two, so, count, abante, one, two, three, four, sunod.
Three, four, three ka.
Three. Four. Ayan. Group 1, Dere Lapita, 2, 3, 4. Master. One, two, Hoy guys, wala na na yung 4. Duha na lang yun yung 4. Wala na yung 3 ay. 1. Wait lang. 1 ka.
6.
remember about a bag that contains my financial purposes and how I propose to use this. Like, for example, I have 3 golds and 1 apple equals to 2, and I'll buy 1 apple to still have 1. It's called budgeting. But if there's a family budget, there's more with that, and I don't know.
Okay, thank you. So, when you say family budget, yes, the word budget from the French word budget is the term translate most that contain a financial proposal. So these are factors that influence family budget. Here, the first one is
Availability of money.
read.
The amount of money spent is based on its access to money or overall income.
So, nakatulong na ba mo availability of money? Wala. So, when you say ability of money, mauna siya ang pagbuwan. Pag-bangin sa yung kwarta, or kanang, for example, karon na nagbaho ang inyuhang kanang papa. So, ang kwarta, kanina bayad din sa kurente, kanina siya balit o rupugpuga, so muna siya matawag ang ability of money. So, nakasabot ra?
Yes!
Okay, the next is
The size and the position of the family. The more members in the family, the more money is typically spent on things like food, shelter, and clothing.
yes, it's true. So, Mr. Nelson, in Canada, the size and the position of the family is 10.
The more members in the family, the more money is typically spent on things like food, shelter, and clothing. Kung dagan na lang ako ng isang saya, kung dagan kita mo members sa family, the more bitan mo mga at ako'y spend na kwarta, kaya like, malitan mga food, mga clothes, mga importante niya mga gamit sa inyo. Or mga katapos din mo. Yeah. Mr. Jimenez.
And I agree with that. Since once I had yung resources of someone life, is someone like the guest that resources na magamit. So basically, ka na siya is sure na siya pa. Thank you.
Yeah. Like for example, ka ng household. Yung baday. Kada kang kuyo, dapat sa kanya how you have. So the next is
Family life cycle stages. As a newlywed couple begins their family life, the majority of the family money first used for set-up costs.
So, family life cycle stage, isa man din siya. Nakadungog ba man eh? Wala. Okay. Ang family cycle stage, ala na naman ang gusto ang tuman. Ang yes. Very good. Alam mo, Milo, kanang makuha ba ang budget kung mga anak na? Mga anak, nanay anak ba? Example, kanang bagong ninyo o kanang bagong kasal ko. Magkuha na din na sila, usaw nila pag eskwela ng bata, usaw nila pag gasto, usaw nila pag budget ang ilang kwarta. So the next one is
Family members' occupation. Family spending might occasionally be influenced by the family members' jobs.
okay, naman idea ni family members operation. Is Dasa? Yes, right. Like doctor. Yes, makapalit na sila ng butang or mga halo ng butang. Kaya na naman sila ay dako na income. Makakuha naman sila sa budget. So, I'm understood, class?
Yes!
Are you listening?
Yes!
So, the last is
The
the family goals means it focuses on like small group or a family with only consists a parent and a child. So makapalit sila og kana mga helping mga kwan ba like mga vitamins. So if ang kanang family daghan sila mga anak, so dili nila ma-afford ang mga kwan ng tanan kanang mga kwan sila mga gusto ba. O mga kailangan na na. So
Sagot pa rin mo siya, ang anak ang laman ng family na.
oh, like ang giman niya na a family with small children will spend more on nutrient-dense meals. So, basta gamay ang kanang usara ka ng ilang anak, mas ma-focus nila ang ato para ma-healthy ang atong bata, like vitamins, mga needs, na kailangan niya, ang mga luwaan, yun na.
Yes, kay parang kanina ko. Dahil practical na karon ba kung yun ang dato or kubre, so ang kubre, mag-budget trip ka lang kung sa di mga budget o makaya sa kalawan lang naman balay sa dato na mapalit ka na yun. So, nakasagot ka ba, class?
Yes.
Okay, so, unsa ganito there are 5 factors. Unsa man po una?
Availability of money.
The second is
The size and the composition of the family.
third,
Family life cycle stages. And the members' occupation.
the last is
The family goals and needs.
so yes, nakasagot ra jud no? Wala may question, clarification, concern. So, tara.
Lattice.
So that's all for today, class. So the next topic will be continue to Miss Taiko. So that's all for today, class. Thank you. So, goodbye. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye and thank you, Miss Sarah.
Ayaw ko pa eh. Ayaw ko na eh. Continuation naman to.
So before we continue the discussion, let me introduce myself. So I am Annalyn Taiko, Miss Annalyn Taiko, the co-teacher of Miss Raquel Restauro. So before we continue the discussion, let me introduce myself. So I am Miss Annalyn Taiko, the co-teacher of Miss Raquel Restauro. So last, Miss Raquel discussed about the family budget. So for now, we're going to continue the discussion of the purpose, the influence of the family budget. So first is resources. So both human and material have the power to significantly alter a family's pattern of spending. So resources. What comes into your mind when you hear the word resources? So anyone can discuss? Third person.
Well, what comes to mind when it comes to resources? Well, there are two types of resources, which is human resources, material resources, and non-material resources. The first is human resources, which is labor, such as construction and building shelters and homes. And material resources are those things we use. Nothing we use in construction, like cement. Other things such as equipments, drills, and shovels. The non-material resources could be the possibility of a family wherein they share emotions, feelings, they tell one another love, those are non-fungible materials that can be considered as resources. Resources are things that we use and sometimes we can touch it and that affects us.
Okay, so another is alam ang resources is both human if ang family members nine talent ay resources ang family ay nine talent sa pag-ayos sa mga damit like for example sa fan, kung sila mo ayaw na kung nasa sila mga nawin kay bago sila mo ayaw na ng utang kay hindi na sila pinahanggan hindi na sila pinahanggan paayos sa lahat kaya na sila knowledge or skills na kung saan pag-ayaw pag parang po, hindi na sila mag-gasto o pangyan sa i-repair sa kanang i-repair sa kanang utang. Next is locality of spending of food to be higher in rural regions. So, if ang family kay napuyo sila sa rural areas, ay mas layo ang kabilanan kaysa sa napuyo sa city. Sa napuyo sa city, kay ang ilahan ka ng kabilanan, doon raso, hindi na sila mag-liti, and then ang ilahan bayan na, ang ilahan mortgage, or ka na ilahan di abangan. Bilang sa mga sa rural areas or sa rural areas kay mag-gastos sila para pitihan kada adlaw nga pagbiyahe. Tips, layo ang diskahan. Kung mag-control na siya ka ng dili po ka ng control ang sa rural areas kay wala kayo kay ka ng kabilag sa mga sakyan na kasayuhan, wala na kayo kay kasakyan niya. Dili po sila ka-liti kay wala na kayo kay pagtayo. Wala mag-isag sa pagkakas sa rural areas compare sa city. Wala mag-depende sa so the next is socio-economic status of the family. So the total expenditure depends on the standard of living the family. So, Mr. Deverson, can you please elaborate?
The socio-economic status of a family is the total expenditure depends on the center of living in the family, where the socio-economic is a family that can afford simple things. It depends on the living of the family. Because if you're a family that sits on the middle class, of course, your expenditure should be not above your budget. Because in your economic status, and the way you expend your resources should align with the budget that you have. Because of the socioeconomic status that you are in. Because we all know that there is a hierarchy in terms of in a society, and this type of hierarchy defines you as what you can earn. Like for example, salary. Your salary is just good for you to spend it for food. Of course, you won't be spending something. You won't be spending your money on something that isn't related for food for you to survive. So this means that if you belong to a specific family, then your budget should also align with your needs. Like, necessary ka mag-maintain yung budget sa inyong pakayan. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Deverson. Promote siya, kaso sa family mo. Pwede lagi na is, kanang example, kaya rin yung mga gustuan sa kanang apart, o sa kanang mabuta, and then if lower class, ang imo ng mga kayang gusto, mawala rin na yung mga kayang makalit.
Lagi ma-earn sa iyong
Bakit ang imo i-earn sa para sa
Nakita na siya.
Nakita siya sa imong budget. Alright. Okay. Next, so continue the discussion. Then we go Mr. Diverson.
Okay, thank you. I'm back. Good day, everyone. I'm here to continue on this just stated like a while ago, which is family budget. Well, the next topic that we are hearing is after I reveal this, we call this visual aid. Drum roll, please. So, what happened there is that the first thing that may affect a family's budget is the requirements and needs of family. Well, I would like to ask why this might affect a family or the budget of a family. Well, we all know that the needs of a family may have air, water, food, clothing, and shelter. But there are some things that we also want, not just needs, right? So if we say wants, they also affect our own budget because I might need to eat, but I also might pay for Coke. I love Coke. Yes. And those are the things that we need. Those are the things I might want, which is Coke. But it is necessary to eat or drink other beverages. But sometimes it is necessary that, not necessary, but sometimes your wants tries to somewhat get your needs and you might overflow in your budget. So the next topic would be, I want you to read. Well, that's like what I said earlier, that needs and wants are on the same page here. Wherein needs is necessary and wants is something that also part of the needs, but it might be something that causes you problem. That someone helps you or causes you to overflow your budget. Like wala pa ka sa imong store. So the next topic would be, next is
Investing versus saving.
So, paano nag-appeal mo na, sir? Well, we all know that budgeting is hard. So, it is necessary to save and invest. Because whether you should, it doesn't really matter. It is whether you should prioritize saving. It will depend on your objectives, level of risk tolerance, and financial circumstances. So, even though that you save, it still depends on the goal why you are saving. You should save objectively, not subjectively. Because without certain goals of saving, such as, mag-save ko, bigyan mo palit kung makapal. Of course, that specific type of budget will be gone without anything. Like, di ba, masyakal na, of course, kayo, yung rason nga save ka is wala may sense. So, dapat, objectively, na-siya sense. Kaya, without a goal of saving, di ka ka-invest. Kaya, saving is something we consider as investment. Kaya, what if, nag-save ka para sa healthcare? Kaya, eventually, matigwang yun or na-accident people. So, mga na siya, investment versus saving. There are two, both of them are different, but they're still on the same page. Yes? So, you save, and saving might be an investment. Okay, very good. The next would be the distinction between investing and saving, where I just said, but I want you to read it again.
The distinction between investing and saving.
Very good. Well, saving is the process of gradually setting money aside, usually in a bank account, while investing is the process of utilizing some of the money to buy assets that may appreciate in value, like equities, to help it expand either real estate or mutual funds. Well, as I said earlier, savings can also involve bank accounts. Sir, why do I need to do bank accounts? Well, it's necessary because we all know that purchasing power is affected by inflation. And banks helps us to deal with the inflation. Kinsa man diri ang paragraph of math wherein inflation affects the purchasing power of money. So, unsa pa na siya kadako sa kwarta, but ang inflation is 4.2 at mamayinusan ka pa na siya. So, yung 1 million kay makapalit pag sa una o sakyanan o ka na malay, but because of inflation, there's a possibility na yung mapalit na lang isakyanan. Kaya ni mahal man siya. O na ang gamit sa account. Matabangan niya tubo imong kwarta. Ay, why? Matabangan niya tubo imong kwarta, mas kanang murag i-cover niya ang kanang minus inflation. Gets? Mao na ang gamit sa kanang savings. But sir, why do we need to invest? As I stated just a while ago, investment is quite nice. Kaya, naanam ko diba nga ang saving is also a type of investment. But there are types of investment that really related to savings. Because there are franchises. You can be a franchisee and you might go to a franchisor. Have you heard about franchising? Yes. So, franchising is what we buy some branches on a certain company, such as Jollibee. If you have what we call the franchise of Jollibee Chirinaga. So, what do we call you? A franchisee, right? Why we bought that kind of it's an investment because eventually that franchise might grow. So, it is necessary to invest. So, that's all for today. And before I stop, I want you to I want to ask you things about what was or what I already discussed. Magaling ka.
Family budget.
So, very good. Got notes. Before I just go with the flow or stop this discussion, I want you to appreciate how does budgeting works in everyone, each one of us, right? So, Romel, how did budgeting affect your life? It did. That's one example of family budgeting. Let's clap our hands for Romel. Okay, thank you, Romel. Now let's continue. I want you to listen to this because I will make an essay about the importance of family budget and expenses and the roles of having family. Also, do portraits. In class, when the discussion, I would like to give you an assignment. Please read pages 20 to 25 and then be ready on our Monday's oral examination. Am I clear?